Hey everybody, welcome back to this one more new video and hope you guys are doing well. And today we are going to react on one of the most famous web series available on YouTube in regards with MBBS called as Operation MBBS. So recently I have gone through these episodes of season 1. So it has got 2 seasons. So I've gone through the episodes of season 1 and they were really fabulous because most of the things that they have portrayed on the web series are the same things that we experience as a medical students. So I am going to react on that and I will be telling you some of the things over there. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and without much of delay, let's get into the video. And never forget to hold a cup of tea before you start this video.
Bow down. हीरो है तू कॉलेज का, दूसरे दिन ही जीन्स।
सॉरी सर, सॉरी।
चल मुर्गा बन।
सर मुर्गा बनने तो नहीं आता है, जहाज बन जाओ।
बन जा।
So these are the things which will be happening to a certain extent, but it's not that they will openly rag you in campus. It will certainly happen in room, but it will be so funny. Not exactly these kind of things, but similar to these kind of things we have experienced. It's quite true, the things that you might have heard, that you should wish your seniors or you should respect wherever you go. So these are the things which will be happening, but that is all a part of fun. And here you can see the way they are ragging, but it usually doesn't happen openly in campus. So let's see. This dissection hall, it will be crazy. Guys, sir doesn't come this way in reality. Drinking.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the dissection hall. I am Dr. Nikam, in charge of the dissection hall. कभी देखा है dissection hall? Look around and be comfortable with the space. We are going to spend lot of time together in this hall with dead body. कभी देखी है dead body?
By the way, it's called cadaver.
नहीं देखोगे? Dead body? कम थोड़ी सी जगह बनाओ। ये बिशन सिंह है और ये बेदी, हमारे लैब असिस्टेंट्स, एक नंबर के काम चो। आउट।
जी सर।
आउट फास्ट। आउट। आपने फिल्मों में देखा होगा, मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स डेड बॉडीज को देखकर घबराने लगते हैं, उल्टियां करने लगते हैं, बेहोश हो जाते हैं, है ना? बकवास। वो बेहोश होते हैं स्मेल की वजह से। कोई बता सकता है ये स्मेल किससे आती है?
Sir,
यस।
formalin, sir.
Good. Very good. Before we begin, I want every one of you to understand one thing. This cadaver is not dead.
What?
It is alive with knowledge.
Great.
Come.
Nice joke, by the way.
This is Dr. Patoli. मुझसे पहले एनाटॉमी यही पढ़ाते थे. He donated his body for medical science for you guys, so that you can understand the mysteries of the human body. What a man.
What a man.
मरने के बाद भी बच्चों को एनाटॉमी पढ़ाना. Remember, whenever we are performing dissection on Dr. Patoli,
With respect.
be extra careful and very, very respectful. Understood? Yes, sir. Okay, let's start. Just as you can see, This is biceps muscle. Why is it called bicep? Because it has two heads of origin. This is small head, see? And this is, hey, don't push. Why is it called bicep? Because it has two heads of origin. This is small head, see? And, hey, don't push. ध्यान देंगे. So, this is small head, see? And this is large head. Understood? And this is belly of bicep. Okay? This is insertion of bicep at radial tuberosity.
Guys, see, basically these things never happen in reality. ऐसे असल में होगा ही नहीं यार. ऐसे कैसे होगा यार? मतलब एक ही झटका में पूरा डाइसेक्शन जो टेबल है वो कैसे उठ सकता है? या तो बॉडी बिल्डर रहना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होता है रियलिटी में. ऐसा होने वाला नहीं है. इफ़ एट ऑल यू डू दैट, सिवियर कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस माइट बी टेकन बिफोर डूइंग दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट्स वेरी डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. And they have mentioned one more thing, that the body that they get will be most probably of the lecturers who have taught them earlier, or might be some of the staff members. So we should be respecting them, because donating a body is not that easy. So let's see. Things, surely you should stand in front of Dean and answer for the things that you have done. But it was very hilarious. We have not done such kind of things with our friends, because it's not such practical thing to be done, because all are well aware that it's an urine. So how could you fool any of your friends? ऐसे चीज़ें करने के लिए एक बकरा होना चाहिए क्लास में, तो उसको पता भी नहीं रहना चाहिए, तब आप लोग कर सकते हैं. बट हमने कोई ऐसा चीज़ नहीं किया हुआ है. फाइन. See, if you do these things in reality, you'll
4 साल से यही एग्जाम दे रहे हो. अब की बार तैयारी करके आए हो कि नहीं?
नहीं.
सर मैं तो तैयार हूँ. आप तैयार हो?
अच्छा, चल शुरू करते हैं. एक्सरे. आराम से.
You even don't know how to hold it.
रिस्ट जॉइंट सर.
Wrist joint.
कभी देखा है रिस्ट जॉइंट? एंकल है. रखो. नेक्स्ट.
ओके सर. फीमर.
हाँ,
फीमर सर.
कभी देखा है फीमर? ह्यूमरस बोन है. रखो.
Oh man, it's crazy.
नेक्स्ट.
This literally happens sometimes. Yeah. Now is
ये
confusion which organ is
क्या है?
वो
क्या वो?
क्या हो?
क्या? हाँ, बोलो. हाँ,
सर इसका अच्छा सा नाम है.
अच्छा सा नाम.
अच्छा सा
क्या
नाम है एक.
जल्दी बोल.
एनस.
कभी देखा
एनस?
है ना?
Oh man, it's crazy. Sometimes in Viva we are given some of the organs for the identification. So sometimes we might get confusion with structures of intestine, pancreas, as well as large intestine. So it happens, and they have showed it right, and that was very hilarious.
पता है तेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है साक्षी
There
जी?
is
ये
some
पता है
fight
तेरी
between
प्रॉब्लम
these
क्या है?
two
और तेरी
friends,
प्रॉब्लम
let's
ये नहीं है कि तू फोर्थ आई है. तेरी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं फर्स्ट आई हूँ.
You don't have that effect on my life.
तेरे को मालूम है तेरे को इतनी चिढ़ क्यों हो रही है? क्योंकि क्या है ना, तूने लाइफ में फेलियर्स नहीं देखे थे और अभी क्या है, तेरी दुनिया खुल रही है और तेरे को मालूम पड़ रहा है कि तू अकेली शानी नहीं है, तेरे से और स्मार्ट लोग हैं। और क्या तू ये एम्स की सीट जो छोड़कर आई थी, तेरे को क्या लगा कि यहाँ कोई कंपटीशन नहीं होगा? कंपटीशन है आणि कंपटीशन राहणारच।
No competition for me, man.
असाध्य ते साध्य करिता सयास कारण अभ्यास।
It's getting
संत तुकाराम ने कहा है। Do you even know who Tukaram is?
point to be noted down. Quickly explain what actually happened over is that there are these two friends. One of them has got fourth position and one of them has got first position. So the girl who has got fourth position is unhappy with the girl who has got first position due to some reasons. So what ultimately this scene tells is that when you get into MBBS, it's not that you are in the level of school where only 1 or 2% will be holding the rank 1 positions. It's quite true what they have shown in this scene. In medical field, it's only the top percentage who qualify this NEET examination and come here. So the competition will be way more higher in comparison to the school or college level that you have faced. So competition is so very high. You should not judge anyone that he might be weak in studies or he might get low marks in the examination. He is not equally competitive with me. It doesn't happen at all.